Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Donald, and I'm doing a 1-year follow-up phone call. Donald, it's been 1 year since you came down to South Florida for a hair transplant. Tell everybody about your experience, and then I think the pictures are going to show for itself how much younger you look today.
Right. It's probably one of the best decisions that I made. It's been a year now, and it was a tough transition, but as it went forward, you can see the growth and the way my hair filled back in. I couldn't be any more happier, to be honest.
And your friends and family, they know all that you had the procedure done.
Most of them, but if they haven't seen me in a while, they'll just think that, hey, nothing has changed, or I haven't had any work done, maybe.
And nobody can even see the incision site. So you're shaving your hair down to what, a level 1.5 right now?
1.5, 2. But if I go to a 0, maybe you might see it. But as long as I keep my hair thick, you wouldn't see no incision site.
Are you happy that you had the procedure done?
100% happy.
So it's helped you with what? Your confidence and just overall morale?
Overall confidence, morale, just happy life now.
Awesome. And let me have you put your chin down so everybody can see the top. Awesome. And I'm going to have you look straight at me and look to your left. Awesome. And we did a little bit of temple work there, and to your right. Awesome. So we fine-tuned your temples, squaring off your forehead a little bit. I love the line that we chose. You look absolutely awesome. I thank you so much for volunteering to do this video for us. This is what I expect and I want for myself, for all my patients to have. Any recommendations for somebody who's considering getting a hair transplant?
Don't think twice.
Definitely. I agree with that. I've had a hair transplant twice myself. Otherwise, I'd be a bald guy. Again, Donald, you look absolutely amazing. I'm so happy that you are happy with your results. And again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I thank Donald for volunteering to do a video for us today. And if anybody has questions regarding a hair transplant, please call us.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.